gone the wrong way. He's gone the wrong way. Oh my god. Now I have seen it all. That is the wrong way. Come on, man, come on. What are you doing, prick? What are you doing, bro? What the fuck is he doing? Loser, man. Look at his...
Christ! And you wanted to come off there? Idiot! C'est la madame ici. Tiens.
Hey?
Sure you don't want dinner?
Yeah.
It'll take 5 minutes to cook dinner. What's he doing?
I'm not sure.
Come on.
Fuck's sake. What is he fucking doing?
No, he's pissing about. I thought he's trying to get you to go into the back of it.
Right, ring the fucking old bill, will ya?
Is he alright?
I don't fucking know. Ring fucking old bill. You weren't fucking speeding.
So, yes, half an hour.
So this guy very angry. I don't know what happened, but it seems he's very upset and then blocked the road for the bus.
I cannot steer it now because of that knobhead. No. Because he won't move his fucking car, because he's got that much fucking space to go down it. I've had to go fucking curve and smash the wheel. No, but they don't give a not bothered one bit. If I were driving that, what's fucking car? You're probably going to live a fucking driving a fucking.
This is in Winco Bank area.
Should have pulled over more. He damaged his wings when he curved.
So we are stuck now on the bus because the man upset over there.
Guys pulled out in front of me, won't let me pass. That concrete are going to damage his wheels. I have done that already, just letting you know. 95A 36258, he's shouting and swearing, he's not moving. 431242 1242. It's 3rd 95. Yeah, 999, it's supposed to be on the way. But yeah. No, I'm not going to do it, a big lad. Yeah.
I only got his car yesterday. I was going this way, he was coming that way. Funny room, I pulled right off. Yeah, not enough room for him to get past his box. Because he's a turning circle around there. I've had to go curb, smash me. I only got it yesterday. Yeah, I just started.
I just drove along here, he's driving that way, pulled up onto the curb, back on past, turned out, come back, and pulled out like that, won't let me pass, and playing out saying I've damaged his wheel, and he's swearing, shouting, calling me all names under the